Set up the correct form for the particular solution. Do not solve for the coefficients. First, we consider the corresponding homogeneous equation, which is y double prime minus 10y prime plus 25y equals 0. Homogeneous means 0. Now we solve this equation. We find the characteristic equation, which is r square minus 10r plus 25 equals 0. Factor this r minus 5 is square, so r equals 5 with multiplicity 2. Based on these roots, we have two solutions, e5t, t times e5t. Okay, these are the solutions. Now let's look at the right hand side and start writing yp. Okay, so we have two terms, so yp has the form based on cosine 3t, which is not already here. So cosine means we have to write down a linear combination of sine and cosine. So a cosine 3t plus b sine 3t. Okay, cosine means we need to write down cosine sine both with constants, plus for the second term t e to the 5t, that is already here, by the way. We are supposed to write, look at the t times, t is first degree polynomial. So we need to write down general first degree polynomial, which is at plus b. Oh, a, b are already used, so we need to write down new constants. Okay, let's say a, b, c, d. That's the general first degree polynomial, and e to the 5t will be another constant. Whenever we have exponential function, we need to write another constant, e to the 5t, but it's a times, and these two constants are already there. When we distribute this constant times this constant would be another constant, so the constant is not necessary. E to the 5t, I mean that would be the case, but I mean this is t e to the 5t is one solution, is 1 d means constant 1 e to the 5t, and both are solutions here. So since they are already there, we need to multiply by t, and let's see if it works. So we have now t square e to the 5t, and t times dt means t e to the 5t. This is a linear combination of these two, and this one is already here, so we have to multiply by t again, so that means t square, and it works because t squared t cubed e to the 5t, which is not here. T square d means t squared e to the 5t, that's not here, so this is final.